Good morning, everyone. Today we will study the balancing of chemical reaction. This is the part 2 of the first chapter, chemical reaction and equation. Okay. In this topic, first of all, we will understand what is the conservation of mass. I hope you have studied in the class 9 conservation of mass with the examples. Okay. So recall this topic again. What is the conservation of mass? According to this law of conservation of mass, no atoms can be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. So the number of atoms for each elements in the reactant side has to be balanced the number of atoms that are present in the product side. It means that suppose this is a substrate and this is the reactant and it forms the product. Okay. So number of atoms of the left hand side and number of atoms of the right hand side should be equal. This according to the law of conservation of mass. In other words, we can say also the total mass of the product formed in a chemical reaction is equal to the total mass of the reactant participated in a chemical reaction. It means that total mass, suppose total mass of the left hand side 20 gram. Okay. So it will be equal the mass of the product. So mass of the product also 20 gram should be 20 gram. Okay, according to this law 20 gram is equal to 20 gram. It means that left hand side mass of left hand side and mass of the right hand side should be equal according to this law. So next is balanced chemical equation. What is the balanced chemical equation? We know every equation is balanced. Every equation should be balanced. The chemical equation in which the number of atom of each elements in the reactant side is equal to that of the product side is called the balanced chemical equation. Same things. Okay. So next topic is step for balancing chemical equation. How we will balance the chemical equation? We will understand by the examples hit and trial method. While balancing the equation, change the coefficient, the number in front of the compound or molecule so that the number of atoms of each element same on each side of the chemical equation. Okay. So we can understand with the help of example. See here, we have this equation FeCl3 plus MgO. It gives the Fe2O3 plus MgCl2. So how will we balance? First of all, we will write down the left hand side LHS and right hand side. Okay. And number of elements. Each elements Fe, Cl, iron, chlorine, magnesium and oxygen. And right hand side also. And write down the number of atoms. In left hand side, number of atom of iron is 1, chlorine 3, magnesium 1, oxygen 1. Okay, this is the first step. Then see here, in the left hand side, number of atom of iron is 1, but in the right hand side it is 2. Okay, so what we will do, we will multiply left hand side with the 2. Okay, you can see here. So iron is balanced. Now iron is balanced. 2 Fe left hand side and 2 Fe is right hand side. Next, balance the oxygen. In left hand side oxygen is 1 and right hand side oxygen is 3. So what we will do? We will multiply by 3 here. Okay. This is the coefficient. We will multiply by 3. So you can see here 3 Mg. 3 MgO. The oxygen is balanced. Next, iron is balanced. Oxygen is balanced. And magnesium, check the magnesium 3 Mg. And magnesium 1 in left hand side and magnesium 1 in right hand side. Okay, magnesium is balanced already. Iron balanced. Iron is balanced. Oxygen is balanced. Next, what? Iron, chlorine. Okay, see the chlorine. Chlorine is left hand side 3 number of atoms, right hand side 2. So what we will do? We will multiply by uh, wait 2. Okay, here in left hand side. So and in right hand side what we will write? here we will write 2, and right hand side we will write 3, because 3 2 just 6 and 2 3 just 6. So left hand side and right hand side number of atom of chlorine will be equal. In this way, now you can see 2Fe in left hand side, 2Fe in right hand side, 3 2 just 6 chlorine in left hand side, 3 2 just 6 chlorine in right hand side. Okay, 3 magnesium in left hand side, 3 magnesium in right hand side, 3 oxygen in left hand side, and 3 oxygen in right hand side. Now this equation is balanced. Okay, see, next example, lithium plus S3PO4 plus, it gives the S2Li3PO4. Okay, so how will you balance? Same process. First of all, write down the left hand side and right hand side and number of elements both side, and number of atom with the number of atom. So left hand side lithium is 1 and right hand side lithium is 3. Okay, so we will multiply by 3 in the left hand side. Okay, you can see now lithium is balanced. In the next step, what we will balance? We can balance the hydrogen. In left hand side 3 hydrogen, right hand side 2 hydrogen. So what we will do? We can multiply by 2 here and we can multiply by 3 here. So 3 2 just 6 and 2 3 just 6. You can see in this equation 2 3 just 6 hydrogen and 3 2 just 6 hydrogen. So now hydrogen is balanced. Next is phosphate, PO4. Phosphate is 2 in the left hand side and right hand side 1. So what we will do? We will multiply by 2 here. Okay, so 2 phosphate. Now phosphate is balanced but lithium is disbalanced. So what we will do? 2 3 just 6. Okay, so we can write down, in the place of 3 we can write down the 6 lithium. In this equation you can see 6 lithium, 2S3PO4, 3S2, 2Li3PO4. Now you can check left hand side number of atom of element is equal to right hand side number of atom of each elements. So now this equation is balanced. Okay, next video we will understand the different types of reaction. Okay, thank you.